Question 3. Write 4 defects of Bohr's atomic model. Derive expression for frequency of radiation and wave number of photon, given that E equals minus K, 1 over N2. Defects of Bohr's atomic model. 1. Unable to explain spectra of multi-electron atoms, works only for hydrogen-like atoms. 2. Violates Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, assumes definite paths for electrons. 3. No explanation for fine lines in spectra, can't explain splitting of spectral lines, fine structure. 4. No reason for quantization of angular momentum, assumes without theoretical justification.
First, starting energy formula, we are given that the energy of an electron in the nth orbit is equal to negative constant k divided by n squared second energy difference during transition when the electron jumps from a higher orbit n2 to a lower orbit n1. Substitute formula for both energies after simplifying. The negative signs cancel, and we get delta E equals k times the quantity 1 over n squared 1 over n2 squared, so the energy released is plus, which makes sense because the photon carries energy away. Third, frequency of the photon. According to Planck's equation, energy of a photon is equal to Planck's constant h times frequency, so frequency equals delta E divided by h. Substitute expression for delta E gives frequency equals k over h multiplied by the same bracket. Fourth, wave number denoted by nu bar is defined as 1 over wavelength. Since speed of light equals frequency times wavelength, we have frequency equals c times wave number. Replace frequency in the equation with c times wave number, divide both sides by c gives. This gives wave number equals k over hc, multiplied by the bracket. Fifth, final Rydberg formula. For hydrogen, the constant k divided by hc is exactly equal to the Rydberg constant, so we arrive at the final expression wave number equals r times quantity 1 over n1.
Squared minus 1 over n squared.
This is the famous Rydberg formula, which predicts the wave numbers, or inverse wavelengths, of spectral lines for hydrogen. n1 equals lower orbit, final state, n2 equals higher orbit, initial state. Formula gives wave number.
Squared minus 1 over n squared.
This is the famous Rydberg formula, which predicts the wave numbers, or inverse wavelengths, of spectral lines for hydrogen. n1 equals lower orbit, final state, n2 equals higher orbit, initial state. Formula gives wave number. In short, we started from energy levels, found energy difference divided by hh for frequency divided by cc for wave number, recognized a constant, landed on Rydberg's equation. Question 4. Write postulates of VSEPR theory. Explain the shapes of molecules containing the following electron pair on their central atom. 1 3-bond pairs and 1 lone pair, 2 2-bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. Postulates of VSEPR theory. One shape depends on number of electron pairs, bond pairs plus lone pairs. Around central atom, 2 electron pairs repel each other and arranged to minimize repulsion. 3 lone pairs occupy more space than bond pairs. For repulsion, order lone pair and lone pair greater than lone pair and bond pair greater than bond pair and bond pair. 5 multiple bonds behave like single bonds for geometry, but affect angles slightly. Shapes. 1 3-bond pairs plus 1 lone pair. Total electron pairs equals 4 tetrahedral arrangement shape. Trigonal pyramidal, e.g. NH3 bond angle is almost equal to 107 degrees, less than 109.5 degrees due to lone pair repulsion. Number 2 2-bond pairs plus 2 lone pairs. Total electron pairs equals 4 tetrahedral arrangement shape. Bent/angular, e.g. H2O bond angle is almost equal to 104.5 degrees, more lone pair repulsion. Question 5. State law of mass action. Derive equilibrium constant. Kc. Expression of general reversible reaction. Following reaction was studied at 25 C2NO plus Cl22NOCl at equilibrium. Partial pressure was PNOCl equals 1.2 atm. PNO equals 5 times 10 to the power of negative 2 atm. Cl2 3 times 10 to the power of negative 1 atm. Calculate the value of Kp and Kc. Law of mass action. At constant temperature, rate of a chemical reaction is proportional to the product of active masses, concentrations of reactants, each raised to its stoichiometric coefficient. Derivation of Kc for general reaction. 4AA plus BBCC plus DD at equilibrium. Equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. Kc equals AABB/CCDD, assuming ideal behavior. Activities equals concentrations. Value of Kp and Kc given reaction. 2NO plus Cl2 gives 2NOCl. Pressure of NaCl equals 1.2 atm. Pressure of NO equals 5 times 10 minus 2 atm. Pressure of Cl2 equals 3 times 10 minus 1 atm. Kp sad phase pressure of NaCl 2 divided by pressure of NO2 into pressure of Cl2. We have the expression Kp sad phase PNOCl 2 slash PNO2 PCl2 first, square 1.2 to get 1.44. Then square 5 times 10 minus 2 to get 2.5 times 10 minus 3. Multiply this by 0.3 to get 7.5 times 10 minus 4. Finally, divide 1.44 by 7.5 times 10 minus 4. The result is Kp equals 1920 with units of atm superscript 1. Relation between Kp and Kc. The formula is Kp equals Kc RT delta Ng here. Delta Ng equals moles of gaseous products minus moles of gaseous reactants equals 2 minus 2 plus 1 equals minus 1. So Kp equals Kc RT minus 1, which means Kc equals Kp into RT at 25 degrees Celsius, 298 K. And R equals 0.0821 L atm per mole per Kelvin. RT equals 0.0821 times 298 is almost equal to 24.46. Thus Kc equals 1920 times 24.46 is almost equal to 4.70 times 104 L mole minus 1, or M superscript 1. Final answers. Kp equals 1920 atm minus 1. Kc is almost equal to 4.70 times 104 M minus 1. Ideal gas. A hypothetical gas that obeys PV equals nRT at all temperatures and pressures. Why real gases deviate from ideal behavior. Intermolecular forces attraction/repulsion ignored. An ideal gas finite volume of gas molecules. Ideal gas assumes point masses. At high pressure volume correction needed. At low temperature attraction forces dominate. Van der Waals equation, correction of volume and pressure for 1 mole, P plus AV2. V minus B equals RT. A correction for intermolecular attraction, pressure correction, B correction for finite molecular volume, volume correction, for N moles P plus N2 AV2, V minus NB equals nRT. Question 6. Define osmosis and semipermeable membrane. Explain that osmotic pressure is a colligative property of solution. Give 4 daily life examples of osmosis. Osmosis, net movement of solvent molecules from pure solvent to solution, or dilute to concentrated, through a semipermeable membrane. Semipermeable membrane allows solvent molecules to pass but not solute particles, e.g., cellophane, animal bladder. Osmotic pressure as colligative property depends only on number of solute particles, not their identity. Van 't Hoff equation, pi equals CRT, where C equals molar concentration, R equals gas constant, T equals temperature. Daily life examples of osmosis. 1. Raisin swelling in water. Water enters raisins by osmosis. 2. Preserving pickles in salt. Salt draws water out of microbes by osmosis. 3. Roots absorbing water from soil. Water enters root hair cells. 4. Red blood cells bursting in distilled water. Water enters by osmosis. State and explain first law of thermodynamics. Prove that W equals P delta V and QP equals delta H. First law of thermodynamics. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only converted from one form to another. Delta U equals Q plus W, where delta U equals change in internal energy. Q equals heat absorbed by system. W equals work done on system. Proof that W equals minus P delta V, work done by system, for expansion against constant external pressure. P work done by system equals P times delta V, since work on system equals work by system. W on system equals minus P delta V. Question 7. Define primary and secondary batteries. Describe construction of lead storage battery with the help of labeled diagram. Explain discharging and recharging of lead storage battery with the help of relevant chemical equation. Primary battery, non-rechargeable, e.g., dry cell, alkaline battery. Chemical reaction is irreversible. Secondary battery, rechargeable, e.g., lead storage battery, NICD. Chemical reaction can be reversed by passing current. Lead storage battery construction, anode, lead PB grid filled with spongy PB. Cathode, plus lead dioxide, PbO2 grid. Electrolyte, 38% H2SO4, density 1.25 G/cm superscript 3. Separator, porous material to prevent short circuit. Discharging anode Pb plus SO4-2 Pb SO4 plus 2E minus cathode PbO2 plus 4H plus SO4 2 minus plus 2E minus PbSO4 plus 2H2O overall Pb plus PbO2 plus 2H2SO4 2PbSO4 plus 2H2O voltage is almost equal to 2V per cell, 6 cells 12V. Define a redox reaction balance any one of the following equations using the ion-electron method. HNO3 plus H2S gives NO plus S plus H2O number 1 Cl2 plus OH, gives Cl plus ClO3, plus H2O number 2 MnO4 plus SO3, dash 2 gives MnO2 plus SO4, dash 2. Redox reaction. A reaction involving simultaneous oxidation, loss of electrons and reduction, gain of electrons. Step 1. Right half reactions. Oxidation. SO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus reduction, MnO4 minus MnO2. Step 2. Balance atoms except O and H. Oxidation. S already balanced reduction, Mn balanced. Step 3. Balance O by adding H2O. Oxidation. SO3 2 minus plus H2O SO4 2 minus plus 2H plus reduction. MnO4 minus plus 4H plus MnO2 plus 2H2O. Step 4. Balance H by adding H, already done above. Step 5. Balance charge by adding E.
Oxidation. SO3 2 minus plus H2O, SO4 2 minus plus 2 plus 2E minus. Reduction. MnO4 minus plus 4 plus 3E minus MnO2 plus 2H2O.
Step 6. Multiply to equalize electrons. Oxidation times 3 SO3 minus 2 plus 3 H2O3 SO4 minus 2 plus 6 H plus 6 electron reduction times 2 MnO4 minus plus 8 H plus 6 electron 2 MnO2 plus 4 H2O. Step 7. Add and simplify 3 SO3 minus 2 plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 8 H plus 3 H2O3 SO4 minus 2 plus 2 MnO2 plus 4 H2O plus 6 H plus cancel 3 H2O from left, 4 H2O from right leaves 1 H2O on right, cancel 6 H from both sides leaves 2 H on left.
Final balanced equation. 2 MnO4 minus plus 3 SO3, 2 minus plus 2H plus 2 MnO2 plus 3 SO4, 2 minus plus H2O.